everyone.
Hello.
Jaima's cookbook here. This is Jayalakshmi and this is Pradyumna. Today we have
An interesting knife.
this is the banana stem Varathandu, and with Varathandu this banana stem goes well with the curd. Varathandu Thair Kootu. In English we call it banana stem curd curry. The ingredients goes like this. You need about a half a size of this, half a feet of banana stem, then 1 full cup of curd, green chilies 3, coconut 2 teaspoons, jeera, salt, mustard and curry leaves.
Before you tell the next ingredient, may I know what this is?
Yeah, this is because banana stem also gets oxidized and color changes.
Oh, like the brinjal.
Yeah, so those vegetables, those enzymes oxidize, we have to put it in salt water or curd water. So I put a few,
curd water?
yeah, put a few drops of curd and I put it here.
The curd looks so solid.
Yeah, and cutting the banana stem itself is something very interesting. So
What do you need to cut? Let me try.
yeah, this is, let me cut and show you one piece. Remove the outside part.
This is how it looks, the cut piece.
Yeah.
These have these weird bubbles. What are they for?
That is the outside portion.
We just take this bit, cut it. Whoa.
Yeah.
And that's just this one last outer shell bit.
Thank you, Brady.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Let me just move this. I've noticed while picking them up, there's this buttony bit and then there's this silky bit. When do we know when to
Yeah,
stop?
see, this silky bit is the outside covering. You have to remove it and take the core part of it.
It's very flimsy when you cut it.
Probably 2 rows, okay? There will be 2 layers of the silky things which you have to remove.
It
Okay,
smells
and
interesting. It smells sweet. Is it sweet?
no. See, and now cutting this, you have to cut a piece like this. And as soon as you cut, you will remove like this and do the removal of the strands. This is a good one, so stranding is less. Otherwise, there will be too much of fibrous things when you cut.
Fiber is good,
See?
but too much fiber is not
Yeah.
good.
So this is actually a good one. So I'm just putting it in water.
The curd water.
If it is too fibrous, you just remove it in your finger like this and then put it in the water. And once you take about 4 or 5 pieces together,
This is how much I've caught of the cut pieces.
this can be chopped fine.
There is. Where do I keep this? I'll just keep it down here.
Yeah, this is cleaned one. So now this can be chopped into fine strands. And this need to be steamed. This again need to be put in the curd water. Or you can use
They look
buttermilk.
like mini french fries.
You can put it in buttermilk as well.
Now it's soaked.
Now the banana stem is cut into small pieces and soaked in the curd water. And the steamer is ready, the idli cooker is ready on. And I'm just going to put this in the steamer and allow to steam.
The water I'm just going to add to plants.
Yeah. So it's a very healthy dish and a very simple one as well. Okay, we'll steam it for about,
I'll just take this and pour it
yeah,
into
you can pour it, ready. Let it steam. This is the jeera, green chili and coconut ground. I'm adding little salt, then the curd,
We still have some spare curd. Or do we? There's some water here. Let me just load. The water wasn't moving.
See, the curd and the ground mixture is not cooked. Only the banana stem is steamed. And it can be done
Wow.
within a short span of time, and it can be
Starting
eaten with
with what?
rice.
It's starting to rise.
That's okay. That's because of the steam. Let it be.
Stay down.
All you have to do is to add the steamed banana stem to this curd mix and season it with mustard and curry leaves. Now the vegetable is very well steamed. So I am switching it off and let it cool for some time. Oil and just little mustard seeds. As the mustard pops, I'm just putting little bit of curry leaves and the seasoning is ready. Okay, now this is cooled. I'll add this to the curd mixture. Now I'm just adding the seasoning. Yeah. And our pachadi. This is actually the kuttu is ready to be served. This can be eaten with rice and also with roti. See now the
Looks nice.
yeah. Tayir Varatanda Kootu is ready, and I'm just going to give Pradyumna to taste. Ready?
I'll take it.
Yeah.
It tastes amazing.
Amazing. It's a very simple one. As he said, it's amazing. Try it out. It's a very simple one, healthy one. See you again.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye.
Bye.